the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily inventory of new vehicles coming in, daily videos of various types of salvage vehicles we purchase from insurance companies. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Benz GLE 350 freshwater flood damage vehicle. Right now this is our first inspection of the vehicle before we try and start it, so right now looking at it, and you can see where the water settled right by the frame rail, but fresh water. You don't see any signs of rust. That looks like mud, like a clay, so that's a good sign. At least it wasn't salt water. But up here, this is a vehicle's pretty high, so there's no water in the headlights, so it wasn't completely submerged. Don't think water made it inside the engine. Intakes look clean, but we'll still pull it apart, make sure that the vehicle didn't suck any water if it drove through a deep puddle. We'll do a quick walk around and then we'll check inside. As you can see, the body is very clean. Sunroof. Really nice vehicle. There's definitely going to be some water inside based on what I saw under the hood, but we'll take a look in a minute. Alright, so this is a pretty high up vehicle. So the interior, you can see, took on some water. I'm gonna, not too deep because we didn't detail it yet, but if you look at the pocket here, it's clean. I'm gonna say right below the seat bottoms, you can see where the water settled, the dust. It's not salt water, there's no rust. No water in the pocket there, so it's below the center console and this hump right here. Not too bad. All good signs so far. We're gonna have to pull the interior on this, at least the carpet, clean the modules, clean the contacts under the seat, make sure everything's getting a good connection. You can see, yep, settled right there. And definitely fresh water. So we'll have to pull this whole interior before we power it up and start working on it. Pretty confident we can get this car running. It's going to require some labor and some extra care before we do so. Thanks for watching the video. We'll update the website as soon as this vehicle's running and driving.